Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually end your Disney Plus subscription. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually open up your browser. Now from there go to the official Disney Plus website and sign into your account. Now from there we go to the top right corner of our screen, right here where the profile picture appears, and we get three options: the edit profiles, the app settings and the account settings. The last one we're going to choose, the account settings. Now as you can see right here are a load of options: the account details, the subscription, and that's the one we're going for. Now let's say you have a Disney Plus monthly subscription. Now you simply press it and here you see your current subscription. Now you can actually switch to annual to save money, but what you can actually do is here cancel the subscription. Now here you see your next payment date and here you see the last payment. Now let's say it's the 15th of or the 5th of January. If you cancel your subscription today, it will actually run till the 1st of February. So if you're still available to use Disney Plus, don't worry, your subscription has been cancelled. Simply press cancel the subscription, press other, and simply press continue to cancel, and that should be it. Now you can still watch Disney Plus until the 1st of February, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.